Hello everyone, this is Ashley, and I will be presenting to you about ceramic tiles. We will first begin by going through the key terms, and there's quite a bit, so bear with me. Alright, blooming is a visible exudation or efflorescence on the surface. Buonos are trim tiles featuring one rounded edge used to finish wall installations or turn outside corners. Buttering, or also called back buttering, is the process of applying bonding material directly to the back of a tile to provide additional coverage in the setting bed. A technique usually applied to larger tiles, 8 by 8 and up. Cementitious backer is a smooth, lightweight board made out of Portland cement or treated gypsum and lightweight aggregate reinforced with glass fiber that are sometimes used as an underlayment for thin-set installations regularly exposed to water. Crazing is a fine hairline cracking which sometimes appears on the glazed surface of a tile, usually caused by tensile stress between tile body and glaze. It can be intentionally produced for artistic effects. Cove is a trim tile featuring one curved edge to the inside corners. Curing is the process of allowing newly tiled installations to set. Dust press is a method used for ceramic tiles only. An almost dry mixture of clays, talc, and other ingredients are pressed into a mold at extremely high pressure. Dry set grout is a mixture of Portland cement with additives used to fill in the joints between tiles, which are similar to dry set mortar. Dry set mortar is most commonly used in mortar, a combination of sand, Portland cement, and additives. The additives help the mortar to retain water, which makes it so that absorptive tiles do not have to be soaked in water before installation. It is highly resistant to moisture and impact. Appropriate for installation over concrete, cured Portland cement, mortar beds, tile backer units, and other hard finish floor surfaces. Durox cement. Durox cement boards offer architects, builders, and tile contractors a strong water-durable tile base for tub and shower areas. Also an ideal underlayment for tile on floors and countertops in new construction and remodeling. Efflorescence is a crystalline deposit that sometimes appear on the surface of grout joints or unglazed tiles as a whitish powder or crust, which is caused by moisture reacting with impurities in the mortar. Epoxy adhesives are made from epoxy resin and epoxy hardeners, non-cementitious, and are known for its high bonding strength, has greater chemical resistance than organic adhesives. Epoxy grout is a two-part grout system consisting of epoxy resin and epoxy hardener, especially formulated to have impervious qualities, stain, and chemical resistance, used to fill joints between tile units similar to epoxy mortar. Epoxy mortar is made from epoxy resin and epoxy hardeners. It has high impact resistance, chemical resistance, high bond strength, and is non-cementitious. It must be used within a limited amount of time after mixing. Extrusion. This method can be used for ceramic or cement tiles. The ingredients are slightly wetter and are forced through a nozzle to form the desired tile shape. Flashing is a term used to describe two aspects of pottery. One is the excess material left on an object due to a seam in a mold or the color variations that occur in fuel burning kilns. The second one is when certain volatile chemicals are added to the kiln. Furan grout, or Furan resin grout, is a two-part grout system of Furan resin and Furan hardener used to fill in joints between quarry tile and pavers where chemical resistant properties are required. Furan mortar is a non-cementitious most chemically resistant type of mortar made from furan resin, furan hardeners, which is an acid catalyst. It is typically used with furan grout because the acid catalyst reacts with Portland cement. Glazed tile is a ceramic tile with an opaque or transparent coating that has been fused to the tile body by firming, creating a smooth, impermeable surface that may also be highly decorated. The body of the tile may be non-vitreous, semi-vitreous, and impervious. Green board, or gypsum, is especially designed and formulated to serve as a base for ceramic and similar tile in areas subject to occasional water or moisture, such as tub and shower enclosures, kitchens, and utility rooms. The core, face paper, and back paper are formulated and manufactured to resist the effects of moisture and humidity. Grout is a material used in installations to fill the joints between tiles.